right, always one of my favorites when we get these in. 1965 Shelby Cobra Factory 5 Replica. Finished approximately 3 years ago. One owner vehicle. 2,936 miles since it was finished. As you can see, paint on this one shows well. Approximately 15,000 in paint and stripes done. And all right, Ford guys, you diehards, listen to this. No excuses. Underneath the hood, are you ready? 5-liter Coyote engine. 500 horse, 6-speed Tremec manual transmission. Let's take a look at the chrome in the front bumper. Perfect color combination too, with the deep burgundy metallic, kind of the taupe stripes, hood scoop, and this one's looking good. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, and you can see even badged with the 5-liter Coyote V8 power. Disc brakes, all 4 corners, knockoff style wheels, not true knockoffs, but knockoff style wheels. Just take a look down this passenger side. As you can see, side pipe exhaust, and that's just the way you got to have it on these. Harness for belt, Simpson. I'll get around to the driver's side, kind of go through what the switches are for. We'll take a little closer look at those gauges. But once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Give you an idea what's underneath this car when you look at the still pictures. Coil overs, front and rear, independent rear suspension, also upgraded cooling system. It does have the Dynamat sound deadener that was installed in it, and it does have a heater with a blower fan. Brakes are 80% in the front, 90% in the rear. This car is fully licensed and registered. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see that paint shows well on this one again. It was just finished 3 years ago. It's one owner with less than 3,000 miles on it at the moment. That's what you'd expect. All right, we're gonna fire this thing up. I need to figure out if I wanna tell you much more before I fire it up, because it does make a little noise. It's got a great sound to it. So let's go through these switches and what they're for, and then like I said, I'll fire it up. All right, down to the left. Right here, blinker, left and right. The switch right here. Now I gotta think about this one a second. Oh, flashers, high beams. So blinkers to the left, flashers, high beams. This turns the lights on in general. That's the horn. This is the wipers, and there's your blower fan. And are you ready to fire this up? The electric fuel pump gauge is activated. All right, so you can see tach working. Fuel gauge, voltmeter, clock. There's your exact miles. We can read that. 2936. Oil pressure, water temp. Incredible throttle response. All right, we're in neutral. We will take a little peek underneath the hood of this also, and to lift the hood, we're just going to want to turn each of those handles to the side and we'll lift it up. But first, I want you to hear this thing. check out all the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a Cobra. However, this is a 2018 Cobra kit car, which is the best of both worlds. It's all brand new, it's all modern with a modern powertrain, but it looks like the 65 Cobra. Our turn signal is a toggle switch to the left of the steering wheel. Let's see how she does on the road. Tell it is effortless acceleration. If you just touch it with your foot, you're going to take off like a rocket, and it sounds so good coming out those side pipes. Now on the gauges, we have a tachometer right in the middle. All the gauges are working as they should. The fuel gauge is showing a half a tank. Our volts are 14.5. There's a clock over here. Speedometer's working. The water temperature is in Celsius. That's showing us 80 degrees Celsius. And the oil pressure is 45 psi. This is a 6-speed manual. And it is easy to drive. Now the thing you want to watch is your foot, because if you just tap that throttle, you're going to accelerate quickly. So it's lots of fun. We got a little bit of traffic. The brakes are nice and smooth. Take off in first. Doesn't lean at all in the corners. The best description would be the best go-kart that you've ever driven, because it handles amazingly responsive. And sounds amazing, as you can tell. Take a look at all the pictures of this Cobra at uniqueclassiccars.com.